bear crawl. So for a bear crawl, it goes like this.
Hands on the ground, feet on the ground.
You can also do a backwards bear crawl. So it's just the same, hands and feet on the ground. You're just moving backwards instead of forwards. You can also do a one-legged bear crawl. So this is like if you're a bear in the woods and one of your legs feels a little bit hurt and you can't put any weight on it, you have to just be on one leg. For a one-legged bear crawl, you're just kind of hopping on that back foot as your hands are moving like a normal bear crawl.
Hands on the ground, one foot up in the air, and then